Woodward versus our very own Kyle Amoroto. Kyle takes the first shot and he pockets the 3 ball. I think this is an open table for Kyle. And he comes up a bit short with the 4. Manages to pocket the difficult shot. Unfortunately, tumago yung cue ball sa 9. He's forced to take the bank shot, or the kick shot rather. Leaves an open table for Woodward. Woodward takes the opportunity. I think this is an open rack for Woodward. Beautiful draw shot. And now Woodward takes the first rack. Second rack, ball in hand by Kyle. Nice follow through. And leaves a tricky shot. I think he has to take this combination shot of the 4 and the 6. And he misses the combination shot, leaving Woodward with an open shot, a difficult shot. Now Woodward plays a beautiful safety, leaving Kyle with a 3-rail kick shot. Foul shot for Kyle. Now open table for Woodward. Pockets the 6. And a beautiful position at the 9. Woodward takes the second rack. Woodward to break. Pockets the 1, the side pocket. I think this is an open table. And a beautiful nudge by the 8. Leaves the 3 with an open shot. What a shot by Woodward. Now pockets the 3 in the corner. This is a difficult shot. And he manages to pocket the 4, the corner pocket. A bit straight, I think is good. Perfect draw shot. And another fancy move by Woodward, a draw shot. And another draw shot, but I think is a bit short, but it's good. Oh, a tiny wobble, but manages to pocket the 9 and takes the third rack. Woodward misses the cut shot, leaving Kyle with an open table. I hope Kyle can manage to make a comeback. Kyle pockets the 3 in the corner. I think this is an easy run out for Kyle. Pockets the 6. And pockets the 9. So it's 3-1. Open table for Kyle. And a bit tricky shot, but still manages to pocket the 3 ball. think this is an open table for Kyle. And pockets the 9. Score is 3-2 in favor of Skyler Woodward. And a very good break for Kyle. Pockets the 1 in the side pocket. Leaves a beautiful shot of the 2. Stop shot. 3 in the corner. Simple as ABC for Kyle. And Kyle ties the ball game. Score is tied 3-3. And a beautiful golden break for Kyle. See the replay. The cue ball hits the 9. So Kyle is leading this game 3-4. He manages to make a great comeback. Pockets the 4, the corner. And a great position for the 7 to the 8. Great cue ball control by Kyle. And leaves a straight shot of the 9. And pockets the 9. Woodward with a safety shot. Hides the cue ball in the 8. Leaving Kyle with a kick shot. Kyle with a good kick shot, but unfortunately leaves Woodward with an open shot. Now Woodward pockets the 2 in the side pocket. In a good position of the 3. Stuns the cue ball. Great control. Perfect position of the 4. I think this is an easy run out for Skyler Woodward. Oh, and Woodward misses the easy shot on 7. I think these diamond tables are a bit tight compared to other tables. Now Kyle takes the opportunity to finish this rack. Kyle leads 6-3. Woodward, difficult shot and pockets the 1 in the corner pocket. Comes up a bit short. I think it's good. Great shot in the 3. I think he has to take this combination shot, the 7 and 9 combo. Oh, what a great shot. What a great shot by Skyler Woodward. Great position on 4. Stuns the cue ball. Easy shot on the 6. Nice follow through. easy shot on the 9. Score is 6-5 in favor of Kyle. Kyle pockets the 7. And a great position of the 9. Kyle with an easy shot of the 9. Oh! And wobbles the 9. I'm telling you, these diamond tables are so tight. Score is tight at 6 games apiece. Great shot. Woodward with a beautiful nudge on the 9. And a great draw shot. And pockets the 9. Woodward is leading 7 games to 6. Pockets the 1. And I think he has a carom shot, the 9. And he takes the carom shot and pockets the 9 in the side pocket. What a great shot by Skyler. Pockets the 4. And a difficult shot on the 1. Skyler makes a difficult shot. Great position at the 2. Great follow-through shot. Avoids the side pocket. What a shot. And I think we have another run out here. Makes the 6 in the corner. And leaves a tricky shot on the 7. And manages to pull that shot. What a shot. And pockets the 9. Score is 9-6 in favor of Skyler Woodward. Pockets the 3 in the corner. I think we have an easy run out here for Skyler. And a beautiful draw shot. What a shot. Stuns the cue ball. Perfect position, the 9. And this is for the match. Skyler wins the game.